Happy to announce that the goodwill gesture of the People's Republic of China for committing to donate the 1.5 billion peso construction of the bridge. So there is another bridge coming. With that bridge, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bridges mulabang sa Davao River. So there will be 5 bridges, 1 bridge more.
Few moments later.
Ito ay nagsimula, na-approve ito noong July ng 2022. Nagsimula ito ng 2023, early 2023.
Late 2023.
Late 2023 kasi mga approval. At ngayon ay tapos na. Kaya't natulungan naman tayo ng ating mga Chinese na contractor dahil ang ganda ng technology nila kaya't napakabilis at marunong talaga sila magpatayo ng magandang tulay, magandang infrastructure na mabilis at nasa tamang gastos, nasa tamang presyo. So this is one of the 4 major projects that our legacy projects that we will be finishing in Davao, and